Hey guys! I want to do a green makeup look today because I want to use this palette. It's so beautiful, isn't it? I haven't used it on my eyes yet. Let's open up a pair of brown lenses. Brown eyes looks good with green eyeshadow, but I want something other than my own brown eyes. I don't remember what they look like. It says brown on the package, so I open it. Let's see. Crushed brown. Looks pretty good. Foundation. This is a foundation I used in my how to apply foundation for beginners video, and a lot of people commented the foundation is exactly my shade match. I used it a few days ago and the foundation looks slightly orange on me because the moment summer is gone, my skin got so much paler than before. Actually, the shade looks pretty good. This is the Makeup Forever 109 brush. I bought a new foundation brush to try. It has this teardrop shape, blends the foundation really nice and doesn't leave streaks. I like to go over it with a damp sponge for a more natural finish. I didn't sleep well last night, a little bit, for my dark circles. You can pinch the sponge like this to fit the under eye better. It still looks dark under my eyes. I didn't sleep well and I didn't sleep much. I woke up early. For eyebrows, this is a Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I've had it for years. My friend bought it for me at a duty-free in an airport. Whenever someone's at the airport duty-free and asks me, you want anything? Makeup. Yes, buy me makeup. Now for the eyes, we're going to use this palette kindly sent over by Girlcult. It looks so pretty, but I have no idea how to use it. The shades are duochromes or multichromes. They're actually purple at an angle. What do I do with it? Let's just rock and roll. We're taking this one. This looks like the main shade of this palette, the center of attention when I look at the palette. It's more yellow than I thought. If you know me, you know I like to apply shimmer shades with my fingertips. I want something more green. That is very, very pretty. Wipe my finger with a tissue. Now we take this, the lightest color. I feel like this could use a dark brown. I'm taking the other Girlcult palette, darkening up a little bit with a matte dark brown on the lower lash line too. Also look, there's no fallout at all. I did my foundation, I haven't set it with powder yet, and there's not a single piece of glitter or shimmery eyeshadow. Very impressed. This is the only shade I haven't used it yet. Let's try it here. And this shade is more blue than I thought. Let's go back with this one. Curling the eyelashes, mascara, eyeliner. I want to add some fun touches with the eyeliner. I'm not good at eyeliner, there's just some simple styles I can do. Let's do some bronzer. I really want to finish this pen up. This is a very pretty blush from the Flower Nose Flower Goddess collection, long discontinued. I think green looks good with like warm terracotta, brown, beige, nude kind of colors. Very cute. This highlighter from Florasis is very pretty. Some on the nose tips. I don't have a cheekbone, so there's no high points of my cheeks. I just put it where the light hits. I forgot to set under my eyes. Some on the forehead as well. Skin's looking so smooth. Fenty Glow, a classic. Now I feel like this look deserves some lashes. When you go out, you go all out. As someone who doesn't do lashes, my friend taught me how to use false lashes, and I only do it for special occasions. Today is no special occasion, I'm just filming a video, so you guys are my special occasion. What do I think about the look? I had a lot of fun doing this look. Thank you for getting ready with me.